It is, guys. This is the last video on the mini truck. Guy's coming to pick it up. He'll be here in just a few minutes. Man, I really like this truck. I'm gonna miss it, but you know, I'm just taking care of the right things and doing the right thing, and this is part of it. So that's what happens. I think I gotta air it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna hit the switches and see if I can put it down. I don't know, it might already be all the way down. Let's see, guys. Yeah, it's down. So I got it opened up for him so you can see it, check it out when he gets here. I think he's coming from like 3 hours away. Richmond, Indiana, I think is what he said. Looks a lot different than it did when we got it. And you can see Johnny, he's got his trap star here. And there's a Stang. Blazer's up by the mailboxes to make room. Underglow's on. Man, I sure did have a lot of fun in this little truck, guys. It was a lot of fun. It's nice owning it. I always wanted one of these trucks. And to be honest, guys, if I wasn't going through a spot and had to deal with it, you know, I'd probably never get rid of it. It'd probably sit here and rot forever. And I just drive it whenever I felt like it, guys. But that's the mini truck, guys. That's what we're doing. That's what it is. Farewell.